The next place I'm going to is called Fellas, and it's run by two really cool fellas. The speciality about this restaurant is that it's all again health food. This time they actually write the calories on the menu. So come in and let's see if this health food is as tasty as they promise. Come along. So I'm at Fellas in Fellas and I'm with the main fellas. Meet Sumit.
Hi,
Sumit.
How you doing?
And Anupam.
Hi, Anup.
And these are the two guys behind this place which has become a hot spot in Bandra, in Mumbai. Everybody's talking about the place, not only for the food, but also for these wonderful juices that they make. So the menu has been devised by you?
Yeah, that's done by Anupam.
And besides every item on the menu, so you've got here. Okay, let's quickly start off. We've got light and refreshing.
Yeah.
We're going to smoothies and shakes and healthy and power shots.
Yeah.
And including then tea, breakfast, fruit salad, and mains and sandwiches and all that. But besides every price, there's also a calorie count.
Yeah.
You know. Now, what guilt-free food are you going to feed me?
So we are make you some grilled jumbo prawn with lemon herb crust.
Oh, great! That sounds really. I like jumbo prawns, and it's only 555 calories. Not bad actually. Chalo. So I'm now looking forward to this meal, and then you'll give me some juice, no? I won't ask you what it is. Surprise me.
We will.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go inside and do some cooking. So we've got this really nice looking prawn, and with me is Aravial. He's the chef here. Namaste, कैसा है? क्या करेगा अभी इस prawn के साथ?
टेस्ट बनेगा।
टेस्ट बनाएगा। अच्छा पहले तो साफ करेगा ना इसको? चलो दिखा मेरे को साफ कैसे करता है तो ये। So on this is applied very gently a paste of onion and garlic with a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of finely chopped parsley, and this is how it looks. And this looks quite nice. Already, even before it's cooked, it's looking nice. अभी इसको कैसा पकाएगा? Grill पे? Okay. The prawns are ready, they are off the stove, they're still cooking on the grill, but we're moving on to the sauce now. A little bit of olive oil, finely chopped onions and garlic. A little bit of water, fresh cream, salt, white pepper, parsley, paprika, chili flakes, so paprika. अभी prawns उसमें अंदर, okay. So the prawns which have been already grilled go into the sauce. And a squeeze of little lime in it. You done? Khatam? Areva? It's done pretty quick, I must say. Okay, so the prawns are cooked, the sauce is made. Now to just quickly toss a few vegetables. I have to stop looking at it and start eating it. So I'm going to now head over there, sit in peace and dig into these wonderful looking prawns, and I'm hoping that I'm going to get one of those really nice juices that they have on the menu here at Fellas. Here we are, my grilled prawns with lemon herb crust served with wonderful vegetables and wasabi mashed potatoes. Let me start digging into them immediately. It's a wonderful size of prawn to start off with. Oh, this is nice. And you know what a wonderful thing about this is? There's a nice lemony flavor to it. And you saw the amount of cream that was put into it, just hardly anything. Cooked in water, no bechamel sauce, no maida, no corn flour, no white sauce. And it has the same qualities that a prawn in white sauce would have. But it's got a certain lightness, a certain freshness. And the herbs and the chili flakes just give it that extra bit of tart and zing that makes it so nice. And now for this really exciting looking green colored juice. I've been told it's made out of 3 vital ingredients: apple, pineapple, and guess what makes it green? Spinach. Imagine spinach in a juice. I'm going to taste it and see if it tastes like a fruit juice or a vegetable juice. Oh, this is great. It's light, it's refreshing, it's cold on a hot day, and although it's got all the goodness of spinach in it, it doesn't taste like you're eating vegetables, but it tastes like you're drinking a nice fresh juice. This is great. Now, to indulge a little bit more into this very, very healthy prawn, only 555 calories. And then I'm going to go and eat some more.